How to speak English fluently and confidently? Well, the answer is in the question itself. Speak. The more you speak, the better you will be at English speaking. Hello friends, I am Riaz and you are watching my YouTube channel Riaz English Classes. Guys, in this video I will tell you 10 most useful tips to speak English fluently and confidently. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it right now and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. So let's begin. Number 1. Read out loud and talk to yourself. If you are learning the English language, reading aloud is one of the best ways to start. As you hear yourself speak, your pronunciation will improve. But what should you read? The answer is anything you like. If you enjoy what you read, you will want to keep reading and practicing more. Another point is talk to yourself. It will look funny, but by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror for a few minutes each day, you will learn when and how to use different expressions. You will also learn when you make most of the mistakes. Number 2. Listen to more English every day. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You will start speaking more fluently and confidently in conversations, learning how to give your opinions in English with new expressions and idioms. Number 3. Watch English movies with subtitles. Yeah, watching English movies can also help you improving your spoken English. This is because watching in English with English subtitles will help you to learn the sound, familiarize the word, and therefore making it easy to recognize in future. So in the space of one movie, you learn new vocabulary, pronunciation, context, and conversation. Number 4. Speak spontaneously but slowly. Speaking English spontaneously is also extremely helpful in developing your ideas into words without the pressure of a real conversation. On the other hand, speaking English slowly has two advantages. Number 1, it gives you more time to think what to say. Number 2, it makes your speech clearer so that the other person can easily understand. Number 5, relax and have a positive attitude. It is important to have a positive attitude and enjoy the process. Relaxing when speaking and feeling comfortable in the situation really works wonders in helping you speak English fluently. Number 6. Learn and study phrases then words. When you learn phrases, you are not just learning the individual word, you are learning grammar too. You are learning how to use the word correctly with other words. Tip number 7. Slow and deep learning is the best. Deep learning is the complete way of learning something. That means you fully understand it and will not forget it. Tip number 8. Use real English lessons and material. Real materials provide real-life examples of language used in everyday situations. They can be used to add more interest to the learner. For example, watching TV shows, reading the novel, reading English newspaper articles, and so on. Moving on to our next and the most important tip. Tip number 9. Don't study too much grammar. If you want to pass examinations, then study grammar. However, if you want to become fluent in English, then try to learn English without studying grammar. Studying grammar will only slow you down and confuse you. You will think about the rules when creating sentences instead of naturally saying a sentence like a native. And now, last but not the least, tip number 10. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning English, and they are only bad if you allow them to be, and if you don't learn by them. You just need to keep going and keep learning. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video. And if you want me to make more such videos, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.